I call Santi. We are the students of class 8 to 8th standard at Aishwarya Public School, Calicut, Kerala.
We would like to present our new idea, CareNet. It is for elderly people and people who suffer from paralysis. Our goal is to ensure safety, comfort, and help the people who are facing paralysis. Let's see the functions we have included. So the first function is pulse rate sensor. It is integrated in our project. We can check regular heartbeat of the person. If the heartbeat is beyond the level, an alert will be sent to the caregivers immediately. Let's see the working.
Now let's see it's working. This is the pulse rate sensor. In the serial monitor, the pulse rate is always shown. The pulse rate is always detected. So the pulse rate is the value of the pulse is always shown. So it regularly monitors the pulse rate and sends alert if the pulse rate goes down.
You can also add a temperature and humidity sensor. To monitor the temperature of the room. So if the temperature and humidity goes the unsafe level, it will even siren.
Now let's see it's working. Now look, in the serial monitor, we always monitor the gas level, the temperature level and the humidity level. When one of these goes beyond the safe level, the siren will ring and thus alert the officials. Now let's explain how our project helps in the movement of the hands and legs. We have implemented hand and leg movements using servo motor. This ultrasonic sensor is for detecting the presence of the patient's legs or hands. If the patient's legs or hands is detected, the servo motors will be activated and helps in the repositioning of the limbs. Now let's see the working. Now, when the ultrasonic sensor detects the presence of the legs, now using the system, the patient's legs and hands will be repositioned. This helps in the circulation of blood. We have also implemented a vibration module. This helps in the vibration therapy of the patients. It gives a gentle stimulation to the muscles. When the vibrator vibrates, it gives a gentle stimulation to the muscles and it reduces complications like bed sores and the muscle atrophy.
Now we are going to talk about the safety and hygiene features of our project. One is fall detection system. If the patient is, we will put an IR sensor to detect the leg if sudden movements are there. If sudden movements will be detected, we will be giving an alert to the caretakers.
Now let's see the working. If the patient is falling down, this IR sensor will detect that and a siren will be ringing and it will alert the caregivers.
We are also integrated and for gas detection system, which will detect the foreign gases which is released from urines or feces. So when it will detect the foreign gases, it will send an alert to the caretakers, so the caretakers can know it.
So this is the MQ sensor. This detects this detects the presence of foul gases. If there is foul gases, the buzzer will ring and it will inform the caretakers.
We can see the reading.
We can see the reading in the serial monitor.
See, it is 155. That is
So
the dangerous
gas
level, gas level.
Dangerous.
So it is detected and the buzzer just rang.
കഴിഞ്ഞോ?
So our project is specially made for the bedridden people, elderly and the paralyzed. We hope our project will be very useful for them. And thank you.